Hey there, fridge owners. If you're staring at that frustrating SciEF error code on your 2025 Electrolux fridge, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking it all down so you can get your appliance back up and running without the headache. Let's dive in. First off, what does SciEF even mean? In Electrolux fridges, especially the 2025 models, this error code typically signals an issue with the evaporator fan or a related sensor problem. It's like your fridge waving a red flag, saying, hey, something's not circulating the cold air properly. This could lead to uneven cooling, which might spoil your food faster than you'd like. Now, why does this happen? Common causes include a buildup of dust or debris around the fan, a faulty sensor, or even electrical issues like loose wiring. Sometimes, it's as simple as the fan getting blocked by ice or dirt from everyday use. Don't worry. Most of these are fixable at home with a few basic tools. Let's talk troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your fridge for about 5 minutes to reset it. This might clear the error if it's just a temporary glitch. Once it's plugged back in, check the evaporator fan area, usually located at the back of the freezer compartment. Make sure it's not obstructed. Use a soft brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove any dust. If you're comfortable, inspect the wiring for any visible damage, but remember, safety first, always unplug before tinkering. If that doesn't do the trick, you might need to run a diagnostic test. Most modern Electrolux fridges have a self-test mode. Check your user manual for instructions. Still no luck? It could be a deeper issue, like a defective part, so it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty. In summary, understanding and fixing the SciEF error code can save you time and money. Always prioritize safety, and if you're unsure, get expert help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.